The simulation for the final elevator project. So for this project there are 4 total states. There's an up state, there's a down state, there's a down to ground state, and there's an idle state. Currently we're in idle state because the button input matches the current floor input, which is monitored by sensors on the actual elevator. In order to go up, the button value has to be greater than the sensor input value. So let's try that now. In this case, the button value is greater than the sensor value. So as we can see on our LEDs to the right, we are going up. Now let's say all of a sudden we have a button value that's less than the sensor value. We should go to down. Although down and down to ground are 2 different states, they're still represented as the same output because this is what we're sending the elevator to do. So now let's say our input is once again in idle state. From this state we can also go directly to just normal down. There's also an input in this simulation where we can send the elevator straight to the ground from the idle state. This is called the ground button, and we see it at the very top of the screen. Let's press that now, and we should see that the elevator should go straight to the ground regardless of what we do with the input pins to the left. So the only way we can get out of this state now is if we go to floor 0, which is when the elevator knows that it has reached the lowest floor and it can go no lower. Then it will once again be in idle state. Let's try that now. As we can see, the elevator went back to idle state, and we're once again in the same situation where we can press any floor button to make the elevator move. Sorry, we have to shut off the ground pin. As we can see, we're back to normal. Thank you.